starting?
We're starting.
Why are you filming me from above?
Where would you like me to film? Like this?
Yes. Okay, we're making brownies today. This is the recipe.
Wait, you didn't introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Mrs. Oldtimer Mad Tom.
Thank you.
And this is the recipe. I got it online for free somewhere, so if I made a mistake, it's not my fault. Anyway, we're making brownies because we have an abundance of pecans.
Pecans.
And we're gonna put them in the brownies. But this recipe is really easy, actually. You can do it without a mixer or anything. First step, well, one, I prepared a baking sheet with parchment. Most like brownies, like stuff like this, is actually better if you use a metal pan, but I don't have one, so we're using the glass. And then I'll go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. And then for the chocolate, it uses 3 ounces of dark chocolate or bittersweet or whatever chocolate you have in your house. And then 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick. And you just melt it together in the microwave. Oh, that's tragic. There we go. Okay, so this is after 1 minute in the microwave. I stirred it and like halfway through. This will be done. I'm just gonna stir it until it's homogeneous, so that the butter fats aren't completely on top. But when melting any chocolate, it's better to do a little too less in the microwave or on the heat or whatever. Then it's better to do less than do more. So now we're doing our wet ingredients together. So sugar's a wet ingredient. 1 1/3 cup.
What? Wet ingredient? You mean dry ingredient?
No, sugar is a wet ingredient. You can tell who does the baking and who doesn't. So we have 1 1/3 cup sugar, 2 eggs, and some vanilla extract.
Which we made ourselves.
As Ina Garten would say, good vanilla. God bless Ina Garten.
Two eggs.
I'm just gonna pour some of this in there.
Not too much. That's enough. And now we stir.
I'm just gonna break up the eggs before I add the chocolate. Okay. I'm gonna add it a little bit at a time because it is a little warm. Don't scramble your eggs. Okay, that's all mixed up. Since you melt the butter, it's super easy to mix together. That's why you don't need a mixer or anything. And then for the flour, it's just 2/3 of a cup. And you always want to err on the side of under mixing too after you add your flour. I should use a spoon.
Oh no.
Bless.
Oof.
I should use a spoon for this part.
So everybody use a spoon, not a whisk.
Yeah. Or a rubber spatula. That would probably be the correct tool, but I don't feel like getting ours out.
The one right there.
Yeah, but then I'd have to wash it. It's an extra dish. Okay, now we're gonna add our pecans.
worked hours cracking pecans, and now she's using the bag.
These are older. Probably enough.
Definitely enough.
Probably a little too much, actually.
So we're having chocolate covered pecan bars. And then what?
And then you put it in the pan.
You forgot salt.
You put salt on top.
Oh, whack. Put it in the pan. How long do you bake it for?
20 to 30 minutes. The oven just preheated too.
Yeah, it's pretty good
Brownies
timing.
that come together and the time it takes to preheat your oven, that's pretty good.
Results may vary.
Oh, I really wish I had the spatula now.
The rubber spatula. If only it was within arm's reach.
I know what you're doing right now. And I know you think you're so funny.
Because I'm pretty funny. All right.
All done.
How long did you have to bake it for?
45
45 minutes.
seconds.
What? Oh boy.
Yeah, all done. Let them cool all the way before we eat.
And that's how you make pecan brownies. No mixer needed. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.